Hello guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how you can change your age on TikTok. So without further ado, let's begin. To start, open your TikTok app and then go to your profile page. From your profile page, just tap on the menu icon at the top. And then go to settings and privacy. From settings and privacy, just tap on report a problem. It will then direct you here. And then as you can see, there is no option that you can change your birthday to change your age. So what I'm going to do is just tap on other. And then tap on no. It will then direct you here where you can report your problem. So now what you're going to do is to report to TikTok that you put the wrong birthday. And then just tap on submit. Just wait for TikTok to accept your request. If TikTok allows you to change your birthday, it will then direct you to edit profile page where you can edit your birthday. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.